For over 6,000 years, wetlands play an important role in the survival and development of our human race. We obtain benefits such as flood control, groundwater replenishment, sediment and nutrient retention, water purification, wetland product, climate change mitigation and adaptation, cultural values, recreation, reservoirs of biodiversity, and tourism. Not all wetlands provide all the services. Different wetlands provide a different range of services according to their type. There are many definitions of wetland as lands transitional between terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems where the water table is usually at or near the surface of the land is covered by shallow water. According to Ramsar Convention on Wetlands, areas of marsh, fen, peatland or water, whether natural or artificial, permanent or temporary, with water that is static or flowing, fresh, brackish or salt, including areas of marine water the depth of which at low tide does not exceed 6 meters. As we all know, wetlands perform a valuable function, but they are the threatened habitats of the world. Increasingly facing several anthropogenic pressures, rapidly expanding human population, large-scale changes in land use, growing development projects, and improper use of watersheds caused a substantial decline in wetland resources. The ability of wetlands to recycle nutrients makes them critical in the overall functioning of the earth. No other ecosystem is as productive or as unique in this conversion process. Without wetland, the global agenda on sustainable development will not be achieved. We need urgent collective action to reverse trends of wetland loss and degradation and secure both the future of wetlands and our own at the same time.